People. It has been a long time. What is up? I am back. If you see how I'm walking right now, it's been a while since I made a video. Only because, let me show you. Boom. Tore my Achilles. Thought I was still young, playing basketball. Had surgery about a month ago. So haven't been riding the ATV, obviously, because of this thing. I've been on it a couple times just to get it out, going up and down my street, just to get the fluids running in it, but got some new stuff for it. This finally came in. My A-arm guards for the Raptor. I think it took about a good month and a half to get. So, since I'm down, I decided, let me get this light on real quick. Decided that I am going to make a video of me painting these things. Have no idea what I'm doing, so we will see how that goes. Just in case you guys wanted to paint them yourself, I'm not getting them professionally done. I'm just gonna do them myself. Why not? Raptor still over here, so I'm gonna go to the store and get some paint from O'Reilly's, I think. I think I'm gonna paint them blue. I seen another guy on YouTube paint his blue. It looked pretty easy. So it's gonna be a whole bunch of no idea what I'm doing, but it's gonna be the cheap route. Because, I mean, at the end of the day, they're gonna be getting messed up anyway. So I think I'm planning on using, this might be a good paint box. Boom. Paint box on that one. This is gonna be interesting because, like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna be spray painting away in my garage, and we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go get the supplies and then come back and start prepping the guards, and walk you through how I'm gonna do it, just in case you guys wanna do it yourself. But hey, good. Alrighty, I am back. I got the supplies. I wanna do a quick disclaimer. I have no idea what I'm doing. So if this doesn't come out good, don't do what I did then. Because, like I said, this is the very first time of me ever painting anything. It looks simple from the other video I saw. So I'm gonna definitely try to follow what he did and go from there. But like I said, here's the stuff that I got. Step one is to clean off the surface of these things real good. Then step two, I guess this is supposed to leave some type of residue on that after you clean it. So I'm gonna wipe it down, clean it down with this brake parts cleaner, let that air dry. And then step three, this stuff is hard to find these days, but O'Reilly's had everything I needed. I spent a total of 23 bucks on all these items. So I'm gonna try to see how this comes out, but plan on putting about 3 coats of spray paint on it and let it dry and see how it comes out. All right, this is the part where it starts to get a little interesting. So the bottle says to, I shook it up already. It says to spray, what does it say? Apply 2 light coats, followed by a medium wet coat. So what I'm gonna do is spray both of these things down, just one. I'm gonna do a light coat to begin with, just to get everything even. And then my second coat will be a little bit more heavier, and then see what happens with that third and fourth coat. So, alrighty. There it goes. Let that dry a little bit. All Coat number 2. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not gonna quit my day job by any means, but so far, it's not horrible. Messed up right here, but hey, so far I got some more coats to do, but it's coming along, not too shabby. I will get you a final update. I still gotta do the back side of them too, but so far I'm not upset. For 23 bucks. I will give you the final update when everything is completely done. Alrighty, stay tuned. Alrighty, still not 100% done yet. Still drying. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. It actually didn't come out too bad. Here it is. Still drying a little bit, but for me not know what I'm doing, I'm actually impressed with myself. So I will get these dried up and put on the Raptor. Once they get to dry, I'll give you a look on how they are on the Raptor 700. So like I said, pretty impressed on how it came out. 23 bucks. It's not the best job, but definitely not the worst. So yeah, I'll put the parts and items and everything I used in the video description below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Make sure you always like, comment, subscribe. Channel's growing, I like it. If you guys want to see more stuff, let me know. Alrighty. So tried to get a better video before it got too dark. It's not too dark outside, but here is the final project. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. What do you guys think?